Preliminaries out the way, I'm ready to try to preach. I'm waiting too, amen. Pastor Wilson and President Pratt have plotted and set me up. Pastor Wilson prayed for me to preach till times get better. That's a lot of preaching, amen. Pastor Platt said, I've been all across the country. I'm only from South Carolina, amen.
Amen.
And he's speaking something into the atmosphere, amen. Amen. John's Gospel, chapter 11. Beginning at verse 45 and concluding at verse 51. Verse 45 of the Gospel of St. John, chapter 11. When you have it, won't you stand? Won't you stand? If you don't have a Bible, please share yours with the person you're next to. If both of y'all don't have a Bible, that's a mess. I'm already preaching. Then many of the Jews which came to Mary and had seen the things which Jesus did believed on him. But some of them went their ways to the Pharisees and told them what things Jesus had done. Then gathered the chief priests and the Pharisees in council and said, What do we? For this man doeth many miracles. If we let him thus alone, all men will believe on him. And the Romans shall come and take away both our place and nation. And one of them named Caiaphas, being the high priest, that same year said unto them, Ye know nothing at all,